So before discussing the useContext hook, let's first discuss what context is. So context is separate from React hooks. useContext is a React hook, but context itself is not part of React hooks. And context is a way to pass down props from a parent component to a deeply nested child component. In regular React, props can only be passed to a direct child component of a parent component. A parent can't pass props to a child of a child component. And context is essentially what allows us to have a global state. So here's a diagram that shows how to read and update the state with context. So to read the state, you have to initialize all the state in app.js, the root parent component. Then each value can be passed in as a single property to the value prop of provider, which we will see in a second. Once that's done, any child component of app.js can access that state. Then any child component can access the value of that state by using dot notation on the property name that we provided in the value prop. Now we can go over updating state. So similar to reading state, the updating state is all done in app.js. So functions to change the state are all declared in app.js. Then the entire function is passed down as a prop to the child component. And it's passed in as a prop to the same value prop of the provider. Then to actually change the state in the child component calls the prop. Then when the child component calls the prop, it's passed up back to app.js where the state is changed. The state is not changed in the child component itself.